Hi guys, welcome to Only Match Tutorial Point. Today we are going to continue with tally marks question, second question from statistics topic. Here the data is given about the marks of certain students, of 65 students who secured marks out of 100. Okay, now 26, 45, 27, 50, 45, 32. So these are all the student marks of 65 student marks who secured marks in a certain examination. Okay, so we need to find the tally marks of this data. So draw a frequency distribution for the data. So okay, to prepare this table we need three columns guys, that is class interval, tally marks and the frequency. Okay, therefore the frequency distribution of the marks obtained by the students are, we need three columns, that is class interval, tally marks and marks obtained by the students in nothing but a frequency. Okay, so here I took the class interval size of 5 guys. So in the question itself they have mentioned that it took the class interval size of 5. So I took from 25 to 29, 30 to 34, like that I mentioned up to 74. Okay, 72 is the highest, so I mentioned up to 74 class interval. Okay, so 25 to 29 we got 7 members from the data. 25 to 29 we got only 7 members. So mention tally marks and mention number here. Similarly 30 to 34 we got 10 members from the data. 30 to 34 we got 10 members. So similarly 35 to 39 we got 13 members from the data. 35 to 39 marks students got 13. So total 13 members got 30 to 35 to 39 guys. So I mentioned here. So 40 to 44 we got 8. So similarly we have to find till 70 to 74 guys. So 70 to 74 we have only one member, that is 72. I have mentioned here. Okay, one. So this is the method to find the tally marks if the data is given in raw data. Okay, so we converted the raw data into actual data, or we can say ungrouped. We converted ungrouped data into grouped data by taking class intervals. You can take size, is up to you guys. Okay, if you take minimum length you will get more clarity. Okay, that's why I took 5 difference. Okay, I hope you understand this sum. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos and for more updates. Thank you.